The DJI Neo 2 has new flight modes, firmware version 0100.700 here. Also the DJI Fly app, which was 1.2, 1.4 on June the 24th, but is now 1.2, 1.8, and today I'm doing this video, it's 31st of July. So let's just update everything, turn it all on. I'm going to show you how to do it on your computer as well, just using a USB cable, but turn on your RC2. I haven't seen an update for the RC Pro 2, but we will check that in a different video. And we've downloaded the app and we've got the new app already installed, and you can demonstrate the new flight modes and see them when we're using the phone to fly the drone. And with the N3 you won't need to change anything on the actual remote control because it uses the app, but who knows, there might be a firmware update. Let's go to the app while we're waiting for this to upload. You might have to do it more than once, I've done that before, and you might have to go into settings, which I can't do right now, and just tap firmware update just to make it update. I'm also seeing it here, firmware download install. Click OK. We need to connect a device like so, and we're going to go with via mobile phone here. We tap search, and then we find the Neo, and we allow. I just did a fresh install. Go to just Google download DJI Fly app Android, and then go straight to that link. You see, it looks like this, and we're not going to do this until this is finished. It has rebooted a couple of times. It's rebooting away there. Just gone to this window now. Just flick back to the app, connect. That's still, the RC2 is still doing its thing. Okay, the RC2 is updated now, which is good news. You can see it staring at the floor there. So now when we go into this app, it's a great way of demonstrating, because look, we've got the highlight slow-mo. Click OK, and then this is what happens. This is actually new as well. Dolly out. Okay. Push in and up. And dolly in. And remember, you can select these with the actual drone. So remember the button with the orange line, listen.
Dolly in.
And then
Dolly in.
Scroll through with the little front and back buttons.
Rocket. Follow. Selfie shot. Highlight. Helix close-up. Droney. Circle. Rocket. Follow. Selfie shot. Highlight. Slow-mo.
And then if you want to update the drone and the RC and any device you've got, and you do have this nice information here on the screen as well, that's always worth looking at as well.
Fly in well-lit. Textured environments.
Just reach through.
Selfie shot. Follow. Rocket.
So you don't even need
Circle,
the remote.
Droney. Helix close-up.
But if you want to update using the computer, download, I'll show you the program, just plug it in here. Really, any data USB will do it. I'll put the link in for you. And it detects the device you've plugged in, and then just click it. And you'll see it's current. I'll plug in the RS2. And if you look here, it's actually saying it still needs upgrading, the RC2. Known issues. Click start upgrade, and I'm going to grab all my devices and do this. We always end up with quite a few RC2s because you have to buy them with the drones. See my other videos of the Mini 5 Pro ETC. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the updates.